Want to create a signing logo effect in CapCut? Hi, I am Raksha from Online Help Guide, and today in this video, I will show you how to create signing logo effect in CapCut. Open CapCut and tap on New Project. Next, import the logo image you want to use by selecting it. Then tap on Add. Now tap on your logo clip to select it. Then tap on Duplicate. Now tap on Overlay. Adjust the position of duplicated overlay to align it perfectly with the original. Next, tap on Remove Busy to remove the background of the overlay image. Tap on Auto Removal. Now tap on the check mark. Tap on the plus icon shown in your screen and select the white background. Then tap on Add. Select the white background image. Then tap on Overlay. Tap on the Splice and select Overlay. Now tap on the check mark. Next, scroll until you find Mask. And click on it. Select the mirror option and adjust its size according to your preference. And adjust the feather. Tap on the down arrow. Now place the keyframe at the beginning of your clip and move it to the top of the video. Similarly, place a keyframe at the end of the video and move it to the bottom of the video. Finally, preview the video to see the effect. By following these steps, you can easily create a signing logo effect in CapCut. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.